Well, hello class, my name is Brian and I am doing this video from my home in Imperial Beach, California, which is a small town beach community just south of San Diego that is the border town for Tijuana, Mexico. The community, if I were to describe the community where I feel the Lord is kind of calling me, I would describe it in kind of a couple different facets, and I'm still trying to keep in step with the Spirit. So there's a pretty strong homeless population in San Diego, well, really California in general. So I kind of feel a little bit of a tug to be involved in some sort of ministry with the homeless. There's a pretty strong one in San Diego, downtown San Diego, as well as being across the border in Tijuana, Mexico, with all the border problems that the United States and Mexico are dealing with, very current, real event, and being on the other side of the border and seeing how people live, our brothers and sisters in Christ. It's just kind of an eye-opening perspective, shift in perspective that's helped me kind of be empathetic to other cultures or other situations than my own. And then as far as this class, I'm really just, taking seminary in stride, one step at a time. I kind of arrogantly, I think, enrolled in this. This was in the fall of 2018, so I'm really kind of new in seminary, but so far my mind has been stretched in ways that I can't quite describe, but I'm just kind of, it's not necessarily a whirlwind, but I'm just keeping in step and open mind, open perspective, just trying to learn as much as I can and connect dots in ways that I didn't think that were possible. So I'm just, looking to continue this process and as far as joining you guys in the same experience. God bless.